Welcome into the Flippin' Hippos reseller channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It does help us feed our hungry hippos. Today we are opening yet another box of clothing. I did a huge buyout. I bought all of the clothes from my friend Jay because she's pivoting and beginning to sell different things. I've recently opened 2 other boxes and I have 2 more coming, and that will be the end. So it was a total of 10 boxes, $450 for all of the clothes. She's been throwing in extras. It's been a really good deal. I've already started selling stuff, moving stuff, and some really good items in here. So let's look at what's in this box without any further ado so you can get back to work and I can get to listing these really great items. The last box had a yellow raincoat in it that I did pull out and jokingly said, hey, look, it looks like Georgie's raincoat. I wish I was wearing this t-shirt with that box, but that's okay. This t-shirt's not at all appropriate for what's in this box. It's all sweaters and sweatshirts that are cutesy, or what I like to refer to as old lady clothes. Don't take offense. I'm 135, so we're all old. This is Lee extra large, and it's got the Halloween bear. And it says, I am the treat. We have a yellow sweatshirt here by Hanes. These just remind me of grandmas. You know, what grandmas wear when they're chilling. That one was just plain yellow. This is a peach plain by Hanes. I mean, Keith's grandma literally wears stuff. And there's a market for it. Well, everybody's out there selling the trends and what's new and what's fashionable and, you know, maybe sourcing for Gen Z, and those are their buyers. There's still people shopping for their grandmas and grandmas who shop on eBay. So there is a market for them. And they probably have less items to find and purchase since a lot of resellers, and there's nothing wrong with that, but a lot of resellers do focus on what's in fashion and the younger clothing. I like to have a little bit of something. This is Liz Claiborne for everybody. This is a nice sweater with a turtleneck. You know, you got grandmas and Gen Z. Everybody needs clothes. Some people like jeans. Some people like vintage dresses. You got to have a little bit of a variety. This is a nice red sweatshirt by Gap. We got a pantsuit here, y'all. I'm not kidding. Likettes. Can you see it? Likettes. So we have the green flax skirt. It's a skirt. It's not flax. It's a pencil skirt. So we have the green pencil skirt. And the... Ooh, it's a 3-piecer. I can't wait to get this listed. The top has a blouse, a button front, floral print, and a matching blazer that matches the skirt. This is, dare I say it, I think it's kind of pretty. I mean, if you had to work in an office, that's something nice to wear. Lee. Again, with the Halloween bears. I don't know if those are patches or embroidered. I'll figure it out when I go to take the pictures. This is like a little half apron. Midwestern, Southwest, cowboy theme. A little apron. Sweatshirts and sweaters are really big, so this box probably won't have as much in it as the last 2. Naturals, size 2X. She did still get quite a bit in there. This is a sweater by Land's End. It's got turtleneck, cowl neck, a big old neck. Tommy Hilfiger like a knit top. My camera just totally went blurry and out of focus. I apologize for that. Carhartt. I love Carhartt. And this is a really nice women's button front shirt with 3/4 sleeves. They're also they're roll tab sleeves. So if you ever see sleeves that have this little tongue that come out and button outside, and then you roll them, those are called roll tab sleeves. If you didn't know, you learned that today. This is, I cannot say this one, Bisu. It's a really cute cream sweater with cold shoulders. Cold shoulder sleeves. And another Carhartt. Woohoo! Same deal, 3/4 sleeves, roll tabs. 3/4 roll tab sleeves. Probably how I'll put it in the title. American Living sweater. And what else we got? It should be the end of it. This little stack here. We're going to keep these folded for keep them nice. This is Carhartt. Carhartt. Lots of Carhartt. I like Carhartt. Another Carhartt. And one more Carhartt. Yay! So that was the last box that I have for now. I got 2 more that are coming from Vegas. When I give her the green light, she's been really good about sending them when I need them, not over send. Like, I just unboxed 3. I got to get this stuff photographed, put away in my garage, and then she'll send me more. So I'll see you when I get more. Get the stuff listed. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about anything you saw in this video, let me know down below. And don't forget to join my Facebook group, Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.